Purpose of this video is just to show you how this device works. Top down, battery tester. I bought this baby because I was having some truck problems a couple days ago until I changed out my relay, and now the truck works perfectly. But this came anyway, so I bought this before I had actually fixed the problem. So this was just to test my battery, and I knew there was a reason why I didn't throw this old battery away, because now I can basically show you guys how to use this without going out in the garage and fucking freeze my ass off. So this is how we use it. Black goes to negative. Turn a little light on here so we can see things. So black goes to negative, which is over here. This device is battery powered, so that's what these obviously these clamps are for. Red goes to negative, or live. And up here you're gonna see this is on the actual battery itself. So what we're looking for, CCA 600, cold cranking amps, 600 amps power. So go back to the device here. Okay, on that one. Most of the batteries that are out there for obviously cars are going to be lead acid based, so most will be just regular battery test. Regular flooded, it's just regular basically, lead acid based. Cold cranking amps, check, enter on that one too. And then we are at 600, so use the arrows. One more. There we go. 600 even. Hit OK on it. Battery tests. And we are at 57%, charge 25%, 455 cold cranking amps ability. So if a truck requires, say, 700 amps, then this is not going to be enough amperage to start the car, which is why this is an old battery now. But the good news is it's 25% charge, so this could be rechargeable easily. But obviously it says at the bottom, good recharge. So that is how you use the top-down Artibattery101 device. And for reference, although this is not connected to a car, if you wanted to do the cranking test, which obviously measures the ability for the battery to crank the engine to a start, you would hit enter on that, and then you would go from that to revving your RPMs to 2.5 RPMs or 2500 RPMs. You do that for about 5 seconds, and then it tells you your cranking amps capabilities on the battery. And with charging, same thing but reverse. You basically have it on, and then you turn the engine over, and then it will tell you how much charge you have on the battery as well, which is different from the battery test itself, because that's more of the battery is just the direct current. So when you turn the engine over, the alternator sends electrons or the live feed from the alternator to the battery, which then charges and restores the battery. So that is the difference between the charging factor of it and the crankage factor of it. But I hope this video helped, because I don't think that there are any videos out there on this yet. And this basically just will, if you have this device for like, I think I paid like $20 for it, it will save you a lot of money and a lot of time going to mechanics and having them test your battery for you. Like, I could go to AutoZone and they would basically just take out the same device I just showed you on their end. It wouldn't be the same one I have, because this is more of the consumer version of it. But I have gone to AutoZone a couple months ago and had them test this exact battery, and they showed me it was a good battery, but it was not functioning correctly in the truck, so I just bought another one. But yeah, so I have this device. I also have the multimeter. That's another helpful device to check. The multimeter, though, only really checks the voltage amount on the live battery. You can't test anything more detailed on the battery. So that's why I have this device right here for that. But like I said, if you get this battery, Artibattery101, buy this baby for any potential automotive problems you have in the future. Save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money on not only repairs but diagnostics as well, because If you take it into a mechanic, you gotta wait in line, then you wait 20 minutes for them to pull out their own little fucking device and tell you, okay, this is what's wrong with the body. Do you want to buy another one or not? So with this device, you can just do it yourself. So much better. Hope this helps somebody.